Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm hoping you're having a great end of the weekend, kind of Labor Day thing here, wrapping up and whatnot here. Just wanted to kind of walk you around the car that we're going to be working on tomorrow here. This is a 2016 Subaru WRX. Absolutely beautiful car. Actually was acquired by one of the detail friends of ours that we're actually going to be taking out quite a few dents on it. So to kind of take a look, I'm not even going to show you with the light on here, just kind of show you. Just got a bunch of miscellaneous door dings kind of all over the side here, as well as quite a few of them down here as well. So we're going to take out all these tomorrow, along with a handful of other ones here. You can see it was obviously just parked in somebody's garage, and I had some runaway door dings from another vehicle there, as well as a couple other little minor imperfections. Once we got in the shop, the customer Ryan he actually noticed the door dings basically were the biggest ones and a dent in the hood. But I kind of went around and walked around the whole rest of the vehicle. Spotted a couple more on it, so we're going to go ahead and get all these kind of fixed up for him. A couple more up in here that you can see. So he's pretty particular like we are, which is really good because, you know, that's the type of customer we like working with and whatnot. We're going to go ahead and get some of these fender dents out as well. So it's got a little dent there, a little dent there, and a couple right here on the driver's door handle. So went on ahead and ended up getting the car and kind of polished it up and everything. That way, he knows that we can really see the damage really nicely then. And then we're going to go ahead and get this all taken out here tomorrow using Paintless Dent Repair. And like I said, removing quite a bit of nothing really big and standing out or anything, but just, you know, your kind of regular stuff. So again, you know, I really like the gold rims on this blue colored Subaru here. It's really nice looking car. But we're gonna go ahead and this is gonna be our project for tomorrow, and we'll go and get all these dents taken out. And I know we've got another hail car Dodge Dart that we've been working with the customer and the insurance company on a hail damage claim for it. So we're going to go ahead and work on that tomorrow, or hopefully kind of get that wrapped up paperwork-wise tomorrow. But anyways, so if you've got any type of dents or dings in your vehicle, feel free to go ahead and give us a call at 605-595-4061. Also, you can check out our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. There you can fill out your contact information, and we'll actually go ahead and give you guys a call, or give you a call at your earliest convenience. So that way, you know, it's not something to where, you know, we can call you. That way, when we're completely ready to talk and chat, we'd be more than happy to help you out. If you got any type of questions or anything, you can also direct message us here through Instagram and whatnot, and we'll go from there. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a good rest of your night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. See ya.